video, I'm going to show you how to cook easy sinigang na hipon. Kung gusto niyo ng masarap, comforting na soup na perfect yung sour and savory flavor, you have to try this sinigang na hipon recipe. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Rhea. Thank you for clicking this video. Na-inspire lang ako na maggawa or mag-film ng sinigang na hipon kasi marami akong tomato sa garden at iba't ibang klase rin ng gulay. So, most of the vegetables I used for this recipe ay galing sa aking garden. Except sa greens na ito, binili ko sa Target. And then, gumamit tayo dito ng tamarind paste, fish sauce. Sa lista naman ng mga ingredients, nasa description box yan below this video. Yung hipon, mas ideal na may ulo, pero yung available dito walang ulo, so ito yung ginamit ko. But it still turned out really good. Alright, mag-umpisa tayo. So, first off, over medium heat, sa isang pot, maglagay tayo ng oil at kapag mainit na yung oil, isusutin na natin yung onion and ginger. At mag-add tayo dito ng tomatoes. Yun na nga, para sa akin, mas masarap, mas sweet yung tomatoes kapag fresh sa garden. So, lutuin lang natin ito until soft and wilted na yung tomatoes and medyo mashed na rin para lumabas talaga yung flavor, katulad ng nakikita nyo dito. Okay? Next, ay nag-add ako dito ng soy sauce. Then, just give everything a good mix. Parang kumaga niluluto rin natin yung soy sauce at nagbibigay rin niya ng ibang flavor. Now, ilagay na rin natin yung potatoes, then add water. Ika-cover natin ito, let it come to a boil, and once boiling, i-reduce natin yung heat to medium and cook for about 15 minutes. Depende rin so kung gaano kalaki ang pagkahiwa ng tomatoes. And then after that, add the daikon radish, then cover again and cook for another 10 minutes. And then i-check nyo yung potatoes kung medyo luto na or paluto na yon. And then, ilagay natin yung green beans together with the tamarind paste na dinilute ko muna with konting tubig lang. Then, give it a good mix. Ilagay natin doon sa sabaw, cover, and let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. And then, tikman natin ito. Sa cooking naman, especially kapag sabaw or any cooking, kailangan tikman natin para ma-adjust natin kung kailangan pa ng seasonings. Dito, iniligay ko yung fish sauce and ground na black pepper. And then, tikman ulit. Because yun naman talaga, adjust according to your taste. And then, nag-add tayo dito ng sweet peppers from the garden. Most of the vegetables I'm using today actually came from our own garden. Kaya extra special itong sinigang na hipon na ito at feeling ko talaga mas masarap. Then cover again and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Then I added another fresh tomato kasi gusto ko na may konting fresh tomato pa towards the end na para may extra flavor and texture. Next, ilagay na natin yung okra and shrimp. Sabay na ito. I added them together because they both cook pretty quickly, mga 3 minutes lang. Nagdagdag din ako dito ng konting tubig because I wanted more yung masarap na sabaw. That's it. Cover, again, 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat. Kasi ayaw din natin ng slimy na okra. Okay, at this point, again, tinikman na naman. Kasi yun naman talaga paulit-ulit tikman. So, ang ginamit ko dito ay yung mga soft lang na greens kasi yun yung available. So, yung spinach. Okay? Spinach or kung ano pang tawag ng greens na ito. And then, naglagay rin ako dito ng jalapeno na kinuha ko yung seeds and yung membrane. Yung white membrane ng jalapeno. And then, cover, adjust the heat to medium-low. 1 minute lang. And then that's it. Turn off the heat and then wait 5 minutes to serve. Ang dali lang nitong lutuin guys, pero talagang masarap. And finally, yun na nga, adjust nyo ito kung kailangan pa ng toyo, kung asin, nasa sa inyo na yan. Alright? And that's it. Our sinigang na hipon is ready. Perfect yung asim ng sabaw, fresh yung vegetables, at ang sarap ng combination ng may hipon talaga. Simple lang gawin but very comforting and full of flavor. And of course, mas masarap ito served with hot rice. Talagang hot talaga. Ang sarap. Kain tayo. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, you guys take care.